Hello, hello, Facebook world. I'm super excited because I got a giant, this thing is huge, a giant Young Living box. I'm going to put it over here though because it's going to block my whole camera, and I'm going to back up and I'm going to unbox this with you. So it's been a while since I did this. I think the last month I was too impatient to wait to unbox it for people. I know some people really enjoy jumping in and seeing the things that everyone gets in their wellness boxes. And last month, I think it came like on a Saturday, and I didn't want to wait. So I just didn't post it. But this time I decided to wait and go through it with you guys. So if you're not into natural health, you probably will want to just keep scrolling through, but I'm going to show you what I got in this humongous Young Living box. And the thing I love is, everybody likes these monthly prescription boxes. Hey, Danny. But a lot of them, you don't get to choose what you're getting. You just get sent whatever they send you every month. And the cool thing about Young Living is you actually get to put what you want in the box. So you're not going to get random things that you don't want. You put what you want in there, which is super cool. So let's go through what I got, okay? So the first thing I got was, I love the Savvy Mineral boxes. They always make them so pretty. But I got some more of just my Savvy Mineral makeup foundation, and I love their makeup. It's so awesome, and it's free from all the bad things. And there's so many makeup companies out there now that I see, and it really bums me out because they add natural stuff in and then they say they're natural, but really they're not natural. They just add in natural stuff and then put natural out there. But you guys, if you have natural makeup but you still have all the stuff like talc and bismuth and all the stuff that's not good for your skin, it doesn't matter how much natural stuff you add to it, you're still putting junk on your face and it's still getting into your body. So love Savvy Minerals. If you haven't checked it out, I'm probably going to do an online class about it soon, but needed more foundation. I was out, and you know what? I was out and I went makeup free for like 3 days, and then I had a day that I needed to wear makeup, and so I used my old Aveda makeup that I had before I switched to Savvy Minerals, and I broke out. And I was kind of like, yep, because Aveda is one of those companies that has looks natural, but when you look at what's in the ingredients, they still have some pretty yucky stuff in there. So my skin was like not happy, and I got a pimple here and a pimple here. So I love that Savvy is really good and free from all that junk. Okay, next I got some more of the Seedling baby wipes. We love these in our house. They're not only great for wipes for, like my son still sometimes needs a wipe after he uses the bathroom, but they're really great for removing makeup and just like quick cleans of the hands in the car. And again, Young Living is all, their whole thing is going toxin-free and getting rid of the junk in it. So these are all natural and really amazing and have oils in them that smell so good. It smells so good. So we always want those. I got some EMU Pro. This supplement is amazing. It's a chewable, and it has stuff to boost your immune system in it, but then it also has melatonin. So I always call it like my what's that nighttime cold medicine? I can't think of NyQuil. Like, it's like my natural NyQuil because it helps you sleep if you're not feeling well, but it has things in it that are going to help boost your immune system and help you feel well. So this is one that I love to have on hand. I love inner defense during the day, and then this at night if I seem to have fallen below the wellness line. Next is my Thieves toothpaste. We needed more of this. We have been loving this stuff for 3 or 4 years now, and this toothpaste is amazing. Doesn't have any of the junk in it that can be really bad for you, and it has the power of thieves. Tastes great. We love it. So needed some more of those. Also got the Thieves dental floss. Love this as well, and we were out, so we needed more. I'm excited about this. This is Young Living's Master Formula Vitamin Set, and I have not tried this yet. And I actually, sorry, my lighting is really bad, but actually got this for my husband. He has been trying to take vitamins every day, which is awesome. Certain ones that his doctor said that he needed, but he was just using ones from the pharmacy, you know, like the over-the-counter ones. And I have always taken some of Young Living supplements, but I've recently studied into them a little more. And the way that they do supplements is so cool, and vitamins. First of all, they've discovered that our bodies process natural vitamins better than synthetics. Most vitamins out there on the market are synthetics or generics, but our bodies actually don't use those as well. So you take them and then you end up peeing a lot of it out. So Young Living does natural vitamins and minerals and all of that. But then they discovered that when they added essential oils to the supplements, that the body actually could take in, like, I believe it was like 60 to 80% more. It was more bioavailable to your body. So how cool is that? They also have discovered that certain vitamins and minerals you need to be paired with each other in order for your body to take it in. So if you don't have it paired with that particular vitamin or mineral, you're taking it and your body can't even use it. So I got these for him to try because this is like their multivitamin set. And I'm super excited to see how he feels taking these versus the ones that he was taking. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, I got this free multi-greens. Can't really see it, but you guys don't need to see my supplements anyway. This is just a great supplement. I've taken it before, and it's just multi-greens. It's full of greens. People don't get enough greens in their bodies through their diet and things like that. So this is just a way to get those in. And a lot of people who take this swear by it for energy and things like that. So I was excited to get it free. Young Living is always giving away stuff, and I had a really big order this month because I needed to restock a lot of things. Next is my Ninja Red. You guys, this has 2 bottles of Ninja Red. If you haven't heard of it, it is super awesome antioxidant drink. I love to drink 1 to 2 ounces a day. It just helps keep me energized, keeps my immune system well, and keeps me above the wellness line. And you know what? If you've been following my orders, I haven't gotten this in the last 2 or 3 orders. And I can tell you what, this last month I started to feel it. I felt like I was dragging a little bit. So that's why it went back in my order. Super great to have. All right. The rest is oils. Got a bunch of oil tubes here. Okay, go through my oils. So a lot of these were free, but some of them I did order. Okay, Stress Away. Just needed to order that because this was like my gateway oil that really helped me really believe in Young Living, because I used this oil during a really stressful time in my life and it helped me. So Stress Away is amazing, smells great, good blend to apply topically or diffuse when you're having a rough day. Palo Santo. This is a great oil for emotional support. This was a free one this month and I love it. It's also great in the summer and fall months whenever you would be outdoors. It's a really great annoyance-free, pest away sort of oil, but it's a great emotional support oil as well. People do use that one on pets too, like on dogs, if they're going camping or outside. Oregano was another free one this month. Oregano is always amazing for boosting your immune system. I love to take it in capsules if I feel myself falling below the wellness line. You can also use it in cooking. This is a vitality oil, so it can be taken internally. It's a super hot oil. If you ever get oregano, don't go putting it on like you would a perfume, because it's going to definitely warm up your skin. Aromais was another one. This is the first time I'm getting this oil and I'm really excited about it. It was a freebie this month, and Aromais is a blend that is really great for things like motion sickness. It helps with tummy issues, but ones that have to do with like motion. So my husband often has to go to Michigan or Madison for union meetings for his work, and he does not like being in the back seat if one of his other workers drives. He gets, a little car sick. So I'm excited to send him with this. And sometimes, lately I've been flying to Utah when I go to Young Living conventions and things like that. So definitely something awesome to have in my arsenal. I usually use Digize for anything tummy related, but this is cool because this is more when it comes to like motion sickness. I also have heard like morning sickness and things like that. So tummy issues that maybe are not so much something you ate, but things that are going on around you. I ordered lime. Lime is so good in the diffuser, and it's so reasonably priced. This bottle is really, really reasonable, and so it's a good one that I love to keep on my order. Just a couple more, guys. Oh, okay. So I have been doing Young Living Essential Rewards, their monthly box, for a really long time, over 2 years. But I want to say almost 3 years. But 2 years ago, they started giving a gift away. Every time you hit 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, you get a gift. And at 12 months, it's this awesome blend called Loyalty. Well, apparently when you hit 24 months, they give it to you too. So I got another Loyalty oil, and this oil is only given, or it's not sold. They only give it to Essential Reward members who hit that 12-month mark, or apparently the 24-month mark, because I just got it. But even though I've been on Essential Rewards longer than that, they started that program 24 months ago. So yay for me to get another Loyalty oil, and they put it in this fancy little bag. All right, one more tube of oils, guys. How's everyone doing today? Anyone doing anything fun that they want to comment? I'm doing something fun. I'm unboxing a big box of oils. Okay, cinnamon bark. This was another free one, you guys. If you are into holiday scents, cinnamon bark with like orange and nutmeg is the perfect combo this time of year for like that pumpkin spice sort of smell, except you don't have to have all those toxins going on like in Glade air fresheners or Glade plugins or Febreze or all that stuff. Gosh, I saw a Febreze commercial the other day, and I really felt sick to my stomach because it was like something about happy air and spray Febreze, and I was like, are you kidding me? You're spraying toxins. You're like hurting yourself. But people want to do it. So anyway, I would much rather have cinnamon bark and orange and nutmeg in my diffuser. Who's with me? Raise your hand. All right. Cedar Wood. This one had to go on my order. This is one that I use in my diffuser and Lennon's diffuser at night. And it just really helps with giving you a good night's rest. Cedar wood is known for helping your body's natural melatonin kick in. So it's not like putting melatonin in. It's like just getting your own body to do what it's supposed to do so you can sleep good at night. So this mixed with lavender is amazing in the diffuser, and also really affordable. It's also a good one that's people use for like focus. A lot of people put it in a kid's blend of lavender, cedarwood, and vetiver. If your kids are a little bit more energetic and don't like to sit down to like focus on homework time, this is a good one to add in there. And the very last oil was another freebie, so it was thyme. This oil is also kind of a powerhouse oil when it comes to boosting your immune system. And so it's a great one to take in a capsule if you're feeling like, you might be going below the wellness line. It's a great one to do along the spine with a carrier oil. And actually, it's one of the ingredients in the raindrop technique, which we just had a couple classes about if you were lucky enough to join into that, or join in those classes, then you would have seen that. But thyme is a great oil for just boosting your immune system and just supporting it. But also it does come in a vitality oil. We all know thyme is a spice, right? So you can use it in cooking as well. So that is my order, but let me go over what I got free, just because that's always fun to see what Young Living gives away free when you order a certain amount. They are just the most generous company. Okay, so free, I got multi-greens, and then I got 5 oils, all free, plus I got that Loyalty blend oil. So pretty amazing, the stuff that they give you for free. I didn't get to read through the comments when I was on here, and I can't see them. I wish I could, but I'm going to have to go back and I will answer or comment back to you guys that were commenting. I appreciate you guys joining in and just seeing what I got on my monthly box. I know a lot of times people are like, what are you always ordering with Young Living? And I'm like, I'm always ordering all kinds of stuff. I'm most excited to have my Ninja Red back, though. Man, I've been out of it for 3 months, and I think it's been 3 months. It's at least been 2, and it's so funny that I always am like, after I run out a couple months, and I'm like, why do I feel a little tired? And I'm like, oh yeah, I need my Ninja Red. So anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed this, and comment below if you have any questions on anything. I'm always happy to share more about what I use, and grateful to have you join me. Bye.